In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on Discord. So what you need to do is go into a Discord server, and you can only share your screen in a voice chat. So you need to join a voice channel. So I'm going to join this lounge channel. Now, once I'm in the voice channel, we can then go ahead and click on this button here, which is the screen with the arrow, which is the share your screen button. If you click on that, it's going to open up a new window and it's going to ask you what you want to share. So you can share an application, you can share your entire screen, or you can go ahead and share a device. I want to share my whole screen, but before we do that and click on it, you can see you can choose standard definition or HD. If you click on the settings to the right, you've got different stream modes. You've got gaming for smoother video and screen share for clearer text. So choose which one is relevant to you. You can also choose whether you want to mute or unmute the audio, and you can hide the stream preview if you want. I'm going to keep it on default, and we can then click on my entire screen and then share. Here you'll see the screen being shared, and now anyone that joins this voice channel will also be able to see the screen share. If you want to stop it, you can click on options and then stop streaming. When you disconnect, you will leave the voice channel and your screen will stop being shared.